Today we are going to do a makeup look. I miss doing makeup. Makeup is fun. So I have purchased a palette. I did a mini haul showing you guys all these palettes. I'm going to use one of the palettes that I purchased from Morphe. It's the 24A Artist Pass palette, and this palette is so amazing. I'm going to show you how the inside looks like. That's the inside. It has a big massive mirror. I'm going to turn it upside down because I don't want you guys to see my background. If you're quite a creative person and you want to create a lot of looks, then this palette will be perfect for you. We're gonna create some look as I go along. I'm drawing towards these colors, and maybe I'll use these matte shades as well. Sometimes I do start off with my foundation, but today we're gonna start off with my eye. I've done my eyebrow already. We are going to paint it. Now we're going to blend it in. We are going to use this color here for the crease. We're going to go in with a smaller brush. Now we're going to go for desert vibes. We're going to actually use this one to blend it in at the top there. It's all blended in, so now I am actually going to go in again with this color, Seek shade, Seek. I'm going to put that in the crease. So this is it, it's just very simple. We're going to cut the crease and we will be using the concealer that I always use. It's almost finishing actually. So it's the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer from Maybelline, and it's the color Fair. So now we're going to be using all access all over the lid, and then after that we're going to go in with the glitter. Should I go for the gold or we are going to be going for Palm Tree. They swatch different from how they look in a palette. For the corners, I'm going to go in with the Major Inspo. And for the liner, we are going to use the Maybelline New York Master Precise Liquid Liner. I'm going to be using the LA Pro Concealer in the color Orange to conceal under my eye. Using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. It's got SPF 10 in there. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone. I put about a pump and a half on the back of my hand. It helps you control the amount of foundation you're putting on your face. Right now we're going to do my forehead. Like my forehead, I do not like putting too much foundation. I'm going to do my concealer with the LA Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, highlighting all the places I want it to pop. My face is not very long, so this helps my face look quite elongated when I put it on my chin and also on my forehead. It just elongates my face. So now we're going to start from the edges and blend it in. Ooh, cheekbones, cheekbones. Now blend it in. And then now we're going to set the whole face. Oh, I love this bit. I love it when I blend everything in and it all starts looking seamless. I'm going to be using the Major Inspo, there you go, for under my eye. Guys, my battery died, so I've done everything. I've done my highlighters, I've done a highlighter on my nose, so now I'm going to be doing my lipstick. And the lipstick we're going to be using today is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the color Famous. So this is the final look that I've come up with, and this look was created from the Morphe 24A Artistry or Artist Pass. So now I'm actually going to do swatches for you guys. The palette I used again is the Morphe 24A Artist Pass, and it's got 24 shades in there. We've got some metallics in there, we've got some glitters in there, and we've got some mattes in there. So this palette can actually create so many different looks, and I love this palette. It's absolutely gorgeous. The packaging is so beautiful. It's very colorful and very summery at the back, and this is the front. And when you open the inside as well, it has this massive mirror. It's got this big mirror on one side, and these are the shades. Look at the shades. So the shades that I've used the Invites Only with the Palm Tree, Sleek Shade, Desert Vibes, and Indigo Wow. Indigo Wow, that one there. Yeah, I think those are the only colors I've used. Oh no, I also used the Major Inspo. I'm doing this row first. OMG, so gorgeous, and it's so pigmented as well. That brown one is a little bit beige persona. We're going to be doing the second row, which is these ones. That is the end of the swatches. Very beautiful colors, and they're very pigmented. They swatch very nice, and also they look absolutely gorgeous on the eye as well. Thank you guys for watching, and come again soon. Take care. God bless. Bye.